Hey pioneers, big news from the Pi network. Pi has just launched a decentralized exchange and automated market maker functionalities on the Testnet. So this is a major step forward for DeFi inside the Pi ecosystem, and today I'll break it all down for you. For the first time, developers and pioneers can experiment with token swaps, liquidity pools, and other DeFi tools directly on the Pi testnet. So that means you can test things like swapping tokens, adding or removing liquidity, and exploring how decentralized exchanges actually work. Now, currently, it's still on testnet. On the mainnet, the Pi wallet will show the options but link you back to Testnet for testing with test Pi tokens. So remember, no real Pi is being used yet. So let's open our Pi app, unlock our Pi wallet, and then here, so by default it opens on the Pi mainnet. So below you can see there's tokens button, click on it, and here is the view. Let's try on testnet. So here tokens, we can add tokens. So currently they have 4 tokens available. So let's just explore, maybe toggle on or click the toggle on for this token, and here let's add or confirm the changes. And now we can either swap token or buy to the decentralized exchange. So let's just swap using our test Pi. So let's use Pi and then let's confirm the swap. As you can see, the token has been added to our list of tokens. So there's also this feature, liquidity pools. So I haven't tried this one. Let's try another token. Let's add a new token. This Archimedes. Let's confirm, and let's swap the token. Let's say 50 test Pi. So at the moment it's around 49 Archimedes token. Confirm, and that should show in the list of token page.